Hey friends, if you encounter the issue a network adapter is crashing or not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the network adapter troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select troubleshoot in the right pane, select other troubleshooters. Now scroll down and select the network troubleshooter. Okay. If this helps, well and good. If not, then we can re-enable the network adapter. Now, how would we re-enable the network adapter? So, press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Right click on the Wi-Fi network adapter and select enable. Next one is to update the network drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. And then you can expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek one and select update driver and search automatically for drivers. The next one is to reset the network settings. And how would you reset the network settings? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced network settings, select network reset and then click on reset now. And the last one is to reset Windows. So we can ignore this one. Once you have reset the network, the part with the network is done. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.